Hey guys, hi, it's the Creative Chica and I'm coming back to you with another video. I wanted to show you my craft room. I have changed it around a bit and I thought I would share with you guys. So let's get started. What you're looking at here, let me turn this over and a little brighter for you. What you're looking at here is my table where I work and my light lamp that I got at Costco last summer, I believe. So I have my paper packs up on the left, and then I have my paper, my 12 by 12 paper on the right, and you'll see a white basket. Those are some punches. In the center is more punches. So basically those three little categories there are my punches. And below you'll see a basket of my stamp cleaners. And behind there you'll see two little bins, and those two little bins also have some stamping supplies on the right, and the one on the left has more punches. So those two, so all three baskets on top are punches, and the two ones in the back there, the ones in the back are the blue ones are punches. And then of course my ATG gun. And also up here you'll see is a whole bunch of stuff. So let's start with the top. As you can see, I have my Cuttlebug there, and then I got some books or magazines, scrapbooking magazines, some card magazines, and on the top shelf there I have a little basket. It's clear so you can't really tell, but that's a basket with the little things for tape of different sorts. And then my little basket that says Baker's Twine is really just strips of paper. I just haven't changed the title. So then here I'm going to show you my extra paper scraps. So the one in the bucket, they're all about 4 by 6 or so. Let's see, as much as you would put on a card base in the clear bucket. And then the white, or the bag, the plastic bag there, has a bunch of paper that is in bigger sizes. Let me see if I can pull it out so you can see it. So they're bigger sizes. Some had little pieces, but whatever didn't fit in that bucket is fitting there. And then you'll see here, these are my these are my dies, and those are my embossing folders, and I have some of those stamping things. I got two of them, one by Pretty Petunia, I forget the name of it now, but it's the small pink one, and then the bigger one is the one by Tim Holtz. And I always keep my glue in this candle holder upside down. Whatever glue I use, I put it there, and I keep some tissue for my nose because I'm always dripping when I put my head down, and then a wipe. And then here on the bottom, you're going to find, let me get in here. There we go. So here I have one of these carousels to put all my stuff in, and I've got all my tools. I have more tools here and more tools. Of course, we're all about tools and things. Pens of different sorts, watercolors, and a little hammer if I need it, and I have a screwdriver somewhere. And then back here are all my glues. So those are the different type of glues I have, and then the little one in the back has the smaller little glues and glue sticks. And then this here is stuff I want to keep, maybe some templates and things, picture of my hubby, and another picture of my hubby and myself. Okay, so then up here, that beige box is a box that has cards made, and then those are envelopes in the black and white box. And then I'm wanting to keep that little green box because I was keeping my tape from my tape runner there. And then I have a couple books that I use, old books that I use pages out of. And okay, so that's that. Let me back up a little bit here, and I will show you the rest of the room. So here I keep a bunch of polishes and gel polish. I used to do nails, and so I have a lot of those, and you can find some of my videos in the description box. So I have this here, tape measure, and then I have that by Darius. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. And this was given to me as a gift. Isn't that gorgeous? And then in the back here, I have some nail swatches. And I'll do a nail swatch thing later on, but if you want to see that, let me know. And then down here at the bottom, I got my trimmers and my ScorePal scorer. And then as I come back up here, let me back up. These are, I have a clock on the right, and then as you can see, I have my stamps, and then a little calendar I made last year. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how to make those, let me know. And these are stamping plates for stamping nails, and all my ribbons and glitters, and then I have other glitters here too. Sorry, it's hard to see what's going on. So glitter here, I have more glitter and more glitter. So I have glitter in all those. And then down at the bottom of this cabinet, I'll show you guys. I have all my vinyl. On the left is all glitter. In the center is the iron-on glitter. And on the far right is vinyl that is a solid color, that isn't glitter. And then on the bottom, I have a Zetter cincher thing and boxes of envelopes. So that's what I got there. And then let me bring you over here. I have, of course, all my polishes and polish wheels. I have those big rolls are all vinyl. And then as we get back further, that basket, the gray basket, is all Christmas embellishment kind of stuff, because I'm just getting ready to make some tags and things. Then I have little things in that box, embellishments for fall and different things. And then what you're looking at, the paper there, that's all 8.5 by 11. And then I have some more, the box that says Faith has stamping ink that I use the most. So see, and then stamp cleaner there. And then that one has cards. And then, oops, and this one has stuff. I don't even know what to tell you guys, but you can see what's in there. Okay. So then as we go around the room here, I have my DVD player, my TV, and this box here has adhesives, embellishments, and these are phrases stamping. So stamp blocks of phrases, and these are all embellishments. And then this is just stuff I got to clean out. And then down there I have beads and things like that. And then as I come into the closet, here, let me move this over. I have my vacuum cleaner for this room. But you see all my yarn and ink and sewing stuff. Sorry, not ink. I meant to say yarn and fabric and sewing stuff in here. And then my laminator was on the right. And as I move it over, I have more stuff up there, just crafty stuff and envelopes. I got to get to this cart, and that big bag is like poly beads that I'm going to be using for a blanket later this year. And you'll see more stuff there. Paint. These drawers are full of twine by color. I did a video on how I like to store my stuff by color. More things and so forth. And then here I have my other cart that has paper packs, stickers, ephemera, and all that stuff. Then I have a bed here where my cat usually lies, but it's usually used as a extra room for guests. And my husband's artwork is up here. It's quite beautiful and funny. And then here, I have all my stamps here. So up on top, you will find on the very top left are the clear stamps, and then I got rubber stamps as well. And then on the bottom two, I have other things that I use for stamping, but that aren't going to be used right in front there. And then on the top basket, that basket has stuff I want to scrapbook, which I haven't done in forever, but that's what it's for. And we're coming back to my scrap table, and I'm going to take you guys up. And all that is fabric. That little book that you see there, that's a scrapbook my daughter gave me one Christmas. And there's my patterns in that bucket, and just more stuff back there. So that's about it. I have a lot. Oh, I did forget something. Let me show you guys this. Let me push my chair in. There we go. So down here, I have more paper. That's Christmas paper, and stickers and wipes. And then this thing comes out. And I have, oh, I can't move it because of my chair. But if you can see that, I have tools here that I use. So that's where I keep my tools. And I think that's about it. That's all of it. So I hope I didn't make you guys too dizzy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we'll talk to you soon.